Welcome back for another CNA Try It edition of a Weekend Warriors project. We finally purchased a Yardistry gazebo for our backyard. In this video, we'll show you some quick and easy ways to protect and beautify your new investment. It will bring hours of relaxation and entertainment for years to come. Stick around. We knew we wanted to jump right in and start fixing up the area, but we soon realized we needed to take steps to protect the gazebo first. I took a few hours painting on an exterior sealant to help waterproof the exposed wood. I covered the concrete with painter's plastic and easily applied the finish. We chose Valspar from Home Depot. It provides a 3-year warranty defense guarantee. Our first physical addition had to be lighting. Now, confession, A is a huge fan of Bistro Lighting, so we definitely needed to add that. Now, there are a multitude of ways that you can add these to your gazebo. As you can see, for me, it was fairly easy. I had the metal brackets. I simply threaded the wiring behind and then tied them off with zip ties. Once I had finished running the wiring, I actually went around and made sure they were evenly draped properly, and then just added the bulbs. And as you can see, this is in the daylight, and she was truly pleased. But at night, they gave off some serious lighting power. No matter if it gets really hot where you live, or you just like a cool breeze once in a while, you're going to need a fan. We found a 20-inch circular version with a remote control at our local hardware store. It fit perfectly between the two main beams of our gazebo. I installed an industrial J-hook and the fan simply clipped onto it. Tip number 4 is a fun one. This is where you get to start decorating and making the area the way you like it. For us, we wanted simple but functional furniture with some extra added features. Our main chairs are both rockers and recliners. On the other side, we added some furniture we originally had around our fire pit. We also added a nice outdoor rug, some lighting, a frog statue, and well, you get the idea. No matter what you do, just have fun with it. Take your time and add elements over time. Whether you decide to go simple and classic or push for something a little more exotic, just make it your own. You may have noticed that we placed black curtains in the corners. Don't be fooled. These are actually 4 panels of netting that zip together to keep the bugs on the outside. I'm talking bees, mosquitoes, and my arch nemesis, flies. In the summer, they repel all types of insects and make the outdoor experience much more enjoyable. Number 6 on the list was something I didn't think I would need at first: shade. We set our gazebo pointing due north with the sides running east to west. That means we have major sun on the left side in the late afternoon. We picked up 2 6-foot rolling shades to help out. They were very easy to install, and also they came with a collapsible wand to open and close the blinds. Our version had a tension system that clipped in the shades, so windy days wouldn't be an issue. Overall, I believe this is probably my favorite addition. It's simple yet very effective. Our final tip has less to do with the gazebo and more about the outside vibe. Get outside and add some color to your space. This is another area where your individual taste can shine. A planted everything, and it all turned out wonderful. Our neighbors even liked it, and that makes us very happy. We hope we inspired you with our ideas and tips for your gazebo. It's a fun set of little projects that show big results. If you have questions about any of these projects that you've seen today, please comment below and we'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to show us some love and hit that like button, and subscribe to our CNA Try It channel if you want more. And as always, we thank you for watching, and God bless. We'll see you on the next one.